Method to cook honey fried chicken. The ingredients: half a chicken, half cup of sliced mushrooms, 2 cloves of garlic, 2 tablespoons of honey, 2 tablespoons of chili paste, 2 teaspoons of oyster sauce, half teaspoon of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, and a bit of salt. First, marinate chicken with turmeric, salt, black pepper, and oyster sauce. Leave for about 10 minutes. Then fry the chicken. Fry until it is tender and golden in color. When it is done, take it out and drain the oil. Next, heat the oil and saute the garlic and chili paste. Then add in the oyster sauce and sugar, followed by the honey. Stir evenly and put in the slices of mushrooms. When it is done, pour the sauce over the chicken. Honey fried chicken is ready to be served.